drag the dots to plot 7.5 and -2. So 7.5 on the x-axis and -7.5 is here, -2 is here. Okay, the second point, -3 on the x, and +7 on the y. And the third point, +2 on the x and 0 on the y. -3 and 7 and +2 and 0. For which point is the y coordinate less than -1.5? The y coordinate. For which point? Okay, so point D is on -2 on the y-axis. So point D is less than 1.5, and also B is on -4 on the y-axis. So B and D are less than 1.5, and C and A are positive on the y-axis. C is on half on the y-axis and A is on 1 on the y-axis. So the answer is B and D. Which ordered pair is not graphed below? Okay, let's see. 7 and -5. 7 on the x and -5 is plotted. So option A is not correct. Which ordered pair is not graphed? Okay. Option B, -5 and -7. -5 on the x and -7 on the y-axis is not plotted. Okay, so B is not plotted. Just to make sure, let's see if C is plotted. C is -7 and +5 on the y-axis, so it's plotted. And D is 5 and 7. 5 and 7, okay. So for sure, option B is the correct, because -5 and -7 is not plotted. Use the following coordinate plane to write the ordered pair for each point. Okay, so point A on the x is 4 and on the y is 0. Point B on the x is 0 and on the y is 4.5. Point C on the x is -2 and on the y is 2. -2 and on the y is +2, right? -2 and +2. Okay, point A, 4 on the x and 0 on the y. Point B, 0 on the x and -4.5 on the y. And C, -2 on the x What am I missing? It's supposed to be simple. I don't know what's the problem. 4 and 0 would be the 0 on the x. Each hash mark is 1/2. So this is negative 4.5. Drag the dots to plot 6 and -8. So 6 on the x and -8 on the y. 6 and -8. Okay, so that's the first one. 2 and 7, 2 on the x, 7 on the y. Y and -4. So this is 1 and this is -4. Let's make sure. So 6 and -8. 2 and 7 and 1 and -4. Okay, 1. Okay, 1 on the x and -4 on the y. Okay. Stupid mistakes. 6 and -8. Let's make sure 1 times 6. -8. That's the first one. 2 and 7. 2, 7. 1 and -4. 1, -4. Okay. Which point is the y coordinate greater than 0? So D and A are the points that are above the 0 on the y-axis. So D and A, C and B are below the 0 on the y-axis. So C and B are negative on the y. So D and A. Which ordered pair is not crossed below? Okay, so let's check if 6 and 5 is plotted. 6 and 5 plotted. Okay, -6 on the x and 6. -6 on the x and 6 on the y. So this is plotted. 5 and -6. 5 and -6 is plotted. 6 and -5. 6 and -5 is not plotted. Okay, so D. And because I had one mistake, I will do this practice one more time in the next video.